Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do these blue glitter encapsulated nails. So I have a fresh set of nails sculpted out, and I am back to the long pointy nails, and I am definitely filling them. This is my favorite shape on myself by far. The first color we're going to start off with is Light Elegance's Well Seasoned. This is from the recent fall collection. It's just a really nice medium shade of blue. I'm going to paint this on my pinky, my ring finger, and my thumb. And it's funny because if you guys have watched my videos before, you know blue is not my favorite color for nails, but somehow today I was feeling the blue, so we're gonna go for it. Next, we're going to go in with Light Elegance's Feisty and Spicy. It is a medium blue glitter shade, and then I'm going to be putting some loose glitter in it. This one is from Glitter Heaven, Australia. This is Sky Blue Holographic Chunky. I'll make sure to write the name up on the screen as well. But I put a nice thick coat of that glitter from Light Elegance, and then I drop in some of the loose glitter from Glitter Heaven, Australia. It ends up being super pretty. I love this holographic blue. It's so pretty. And if you guys didn't hear, I am a Glitter Heaven brand ambassador, so make sure to use my code GLITTERFAIRY for 10% off your order with them. Go check them out. I've used their glitters for a while now and I love them. So here I'm going in and doing a second coat of Well Seasoned. Next, I'm going to go in with Young Nails Build Gel, and I'm going to encapsulate that loose glitter. So I'm doing one finger at a time, but I'm building up the nail and making sure all the edges are capped and that glitter is really encapsulated in there. So I flash cure one, and then I work on the next, and then I give everything a full cure. And now I'm going to file and reshape those nails I just encapsulated. I go ahead and remove the tacky layer on all of the nails. If you do not remove the tacky layer on your other nails as well, the nail dust will stick into the tacky layer, and it's going to be very difficult to come off. So make sure you cleanse all your nails before and after filing. But you can see here, I know I kind of go in and out of frame a little bit. It was hard with the nail file to stay in frame, but I'm just going in, reshaping everything and smoothing everything out. At the end I go in with a buffer to really smooth everything out. And then I go ahead and cleanse all of the nails again. And now we're going to go in with some stamping. So I'll be using my white stamping polish from Clear Jelly Stamper. The stamping plate I'll be using is Clear Jelly Stamper Baubles and Bells. Yes, this is a Christmas plate, but the swirls can be used year-round. I'll be using my Clear Jelly Stamper Big Bling Stamper, and then my Young Nail swiping card. And so here I'm just using the white, and I'm picking up the swirl image that is just the little bit of the swirl. And I place this off to the side of my nail, and you'll see here that it doesn't stick the first time. So I did have to go back through and stamp it a second time, but I wanted to leave it in for you guys just to show you that this is how the process actually went for me. And I think this is my first time stamping on top of a finished file nail instead of on top of a gel layer. And so I don't know if that's why I was having trouble with the stamping polish sticking or just what my issue was this time, but I was having trouble stamping. And you'll see later on, because I had used acetone to take off the stamping polish, I must not have smoothed the nail out enough because that white polish got into the crevices of the filing. And you'll be able to see with top coat that it did kind of blur it over, like there's a little bit of that white sheen to it. I just go ahead and leave it as is, but definitely keep that in mind if you are going to be stamping on top of a finished file layer. And if you need to remove anything, make sure to really remove it, and I'd probably even file a bit after removing it as well. And now it's time for top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. And so here is how my nails came out, and I just love this set. I don't know if it's because I'm back to the pointed nails after not having them for a while. Those are definitely pumping me up, but I'm loving this blue set. And I was very tempted to do snowflakes and do a wintry blue set, but I was just kind of over the snowflakes and I want to move on from winter. So that's why I went with the swirls. But you can really use any kind of stamping pattern on top of it. But I think the glitter looks so pretty popped under the stamping, and then paired with just some solid plain nails. It's so simple yet stunning and bold all at the same time. I just love it. If you guys aren't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post once a week usually, sometimes more. So make sure you're subscribed for more nail art tutorials coming up. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked seeing the encapsulated glitter in designs. I can definitely do more of that. And make sure to check out Glitter Heaven Australia and all of her wonderful glitter mixes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!